Okay, I cleared out our program again, and we're not in math functions anymore. Now we're down here in conversion operation. And under conversion operations, you'll notice there's nothing in here. There's actually something that's called scale X, and that does half of what we need to do to scale something. This normalize does the other half, okay? So let me show you what we need to do. We pull in this normalize here, and then we've got to set that up with what you would think of as our input range. So what's the range of the signal coming in? And then we're going to, I'm going to put another little branch right under here. Let's actually put it right there. Not a branch, another rung. And then we're going to scale. All right? So my little explanation that I gave you was that we've got a value of 2 that we're scaling from a range of 0 to 4. And down here on the scale, we want to translate that to a scale from 0 to 100. All right? So our output here is going to be TV1, which is going to be a temp value, and that's the value that we're going to bring in here. And the one more thing we've got to set up, where's the output going to be? So I'll just set that to SV1 because that's going to be our scaled value. And let me define this tag. This is going to be a local int. So let's define it. TV1, we're going to define that also as, this one it says is going to have to be a local real. It's not going to let me set that up as an int. So that's fine. We'll define it. And that kind of fills in some of these blanks for us. So we know that we've got a real coming in and we've got an int going in here. Okay, so now everything is blued up, and we're going to get to see exactly what this is doing. So